Is that all you have in you, Mama Bear?
I don't know what else to say.
Just,
Definitely not the most I can do.
just keep going. Do the ABCs.
Ugh. Hold on.
That was